English Idioms Unpacked. Salad on the side. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in restaurants or in casual conversation. Salad on the side. This idiom isn't just about food. It's a great example of how English uses specific phrases to convey broader ideas. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning. When someone orders a meal and requests a salad on the side, they are asking for the salad to be served as a separate dish, not mixed in with the main course. This is a common request in restaurants, indicating a preference for how the food should be arranged on the plate. Now, let's delve into the more figurative use of this phrase. In English, saying you want something on the side can imply that you want it as an additional option, not as the main focus. For example, if someone says they are working on a project on the side, they mean it's not their primary task but something they do occasionally or in their free time. Using salad on the side in conversations can be quite versatile. It can be used literally when discussing food or figuratively to talk about hobbies, jobs, or any secondary activities. It's a great way to express that something is supplementary to the main focus. Understanding the cultural context of this phrase is important. In many English-speaking countries, meals are often customized according to personal preferences, which is where this phrase gains its popularity. Also, be aware of variations like fries on the side or dressing on the side, which carry a similar meaning. And that's a wrap on salad on the side. Remember, this phrase can be a fun and practical addition to your English vocabulary, whether you're ordering food or describing an aspect of your life. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Stay tuned for more insights into English language learning, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.